Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete an Instagram post from PC or laptop. If you're using Instagram and you have posted any post on your Instagram profile and you want to delete that using your PC or your laptop, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just open Instagram, and here just go to profile by clicking on this profile option. And from here just select the post which you want to delete. So let's say I'm gonna delete this one because it's doubled. So just click on this and then click on the three dots at the top right, and here you must see the option of delete. Just click on this and then click on delete. You can see that, are you sure you want to delete this post? So just click on delete and your post will be deleted. So you can also try to refresh your page, so it will save the changes you have made. So in this way, you can easily delete any posts from your Instagram profile by using your PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.